Hey guys, how we doing? Welcome back to Lee Slot Cars for another showtime. This is where I pick a car out of the collection, have a look at it, see what we think of it, run 10 laps around the track and see where it comes on the leaderboard. Today's car, well, I'll show you in a minute. I got sent a couple of cars from Scalextric, so I've picked one out to show you today. I really like this one. So let's get down to the bench and have a look. So this week's car is the AMC Hornet from the film The Man with the Golden Gun, 007 James Bond. I think it was Roger Moore, if I remember rightly. It was an AMC, American Motor Corporation, Hornet X. And in the film, I don't know if you've seen it, it did the sort of 360 jump. Don't think I can recreate that on my track. I'm not going to even try. But like a lot of people of my age, grew up watching James Bond. It was one of my favourite programmes. I'm not going to lie. I do love James Bond. Still do now a bit, although it's a little bit more politically correct now than it used to be, so it's not as good fun as it was. But this is a car that was sent to me by Scalextric, and I'm eternally grateful as ever. And I love this car. It's a really nice car. Let's just pop the box away. It's quite simple and it's quite basic, so it's not sort of got loads of decals plastered all over it, but it's just a nice solid car. You can just feel it. It just feels solid. And I've only done a few laps around the track with it, but it runs really well. I haven't done anything to the tyres, I haven't track sounded them, haven't done anything. This is literally straight out of the box. Lights are all working and looking good, and if you look closely in there, looks like that's is that Roger Moore? James Bond 007 himself. Like I say, big fan of the films, big fan of this car. I'm going to run it on the track and give it 10 laps to see how it goes in a minute. But I would like to say that last week, I talked about what liveries do you like, what cars, what do you like to collect and things like that. I've got the white Lotus Esprit from James Bond, and I could be very tempted to collect James Bond cars because there's quite a few of them. So yeah, that might be something I look out for. Maybe a Gaydon. We'll have to wait and see. Depends how much cash I've saved up for then. So anyway, let's get this little beauty on the track and we'll see how it performs. Okay, we're on the starting grid. 10 laps. Here we go. Always start off nice and steady. But already I can feel that it's hugging the track nicely. Stutters a little bit on the hairpin bend, but I do feel that I could push this. This is quite quick. This could be right up there. Let's see if I can push it a bit more without coming off. I need to see why it's stuttering on that coming up the hairpin bend. It's not happy with something there. Okay, that's 10 laps. Let's see how we got on. Best lap, 5.4 seconds. That doesn't sound fast to me. It seemed like it was going fast, but I don't think that is a brilliant time. So let's check out the leaderboard and have a look. Well, there you see it's sort of third place out of 4 at 5.4 seconds. So quite significantly slower than the BMW and the Cosworth, over half a second. So I need to work on this. It was slowing down on that hairpin a little bit, so I need to have a look at what's causing that. Let's have a look at the car again, because I might have identified something else. Now, I'm not well known for tuning and doing up cars. It's just not something that I do, and I should do. I should give it a go. But what I did notice on this is that there's quite a lot of movement on this rear axle. So I'm going to have a look at that, because it might be that just a spacer or something will stop that from happening. So that, I would imagine, would affect the performance. So I'm going to check that out off camera and in my own time, and see if I can get some better times out of it, because it sticks to the track well. So there's no reason why this shouldn't be up there with the top cars. So that's it for this week. The AMC Hornet. What a lovely car, and regardless of whether you like James Bond or not, you know, this really is a lovely looking car. So that's it for this week. Not sure what's coming up next week, but it could be something. I'm just looking at the collection. Yeah, next week is going to be something that will seriously challenge that Cosworth. So thanks for watching, guys. You all take care, my friends. Bye bye.